Hi guys, today we do Leetcode weekly contest. Okay, good luck, have fun. Maximum score split. Okay, sum of that, suffix min. Okay, so we just do what it say. Okay, 17. Oh, maximum. Maximum 12. Oh, minus. So stupid. Huh? This minus 5. Why? Okay. Okay. Plus 1, 2, both need 1, need 2. Cost both. Okay. Okay, this is going to say C1, C2, CB, and 1 and 2. Okay. I'm going to say if CB is less than or equal to C1 plus C2, min of C1 plus C2, CB. Mn times T. Then min of CB, C1 times min of CB, C2 times N2. 3, 22, and 0. Yep. You're kidding me. Oh gosh. I forgot to get overflow. Given k and divisible by k, only the digit 1. Okay. Mm, 3. Divisible by k. Three. I don't know. Okay. Okay, this is easy. Going to be 18, 2, 2, 2. Okay. Going to say 180. This 9 times 15. 16. It's roughly about that many. Off times 2. do count, then zero. It's going to be I plus 1, T1 and X. Count. What is count? Count is going to be count or D if one of them is true, which means it's going to be what is it? Count or D? Count plus 1 or 0. Then D otherwise negative D. Okay, that's good. Okay, weird. Count. Oh, min. Nine, 1, 0. Okay. Find the smallest. Okay, how do we do this? Find the smallest. How many soft? Don't be a lot. That's a lot. That's a lot. That's a lot. Find the smallest. Oh, is that it? is just a BFS, right? Um, is equal to -1. Is that true? Return is that true? 36 -1. Is that true? Because, okay, that's true. Makes sense. That makes sense. Okay, I will go over the problems right now. Mm, I expected more, to be honest, because this is the last contest, but whatever. So, yeah, this is just you do what the problems say. You have a prefix and then you have a suffix min. Q2 is Q2 is looks kind of complicated, but it's not. So you have C1, C2, C3. This contribute 1 to type 1, contribute 1 to type 1, 1 to type 2, and 1 to both type 1 and type 2, and you need N1 of you need N1 of type 1, you need N2 of type 2. So you need this many of type 1, for example. You need this many of type 2, and you have to find a minimum cost to bring them at that point. So it's just, it turns out that you first need to meet this thing, whereas min of both of them, min of n1 and n2. So yeah, you can do min of them in the cost of C1 plus C2 or C3, right? And this whole thing will cancel this part out. of it. Now this remaining part, you continue to do the same. You're going to do min of C1, C3, uh, times this remaining. Or if this thing have it, you min of C2 right here. Yeah, that's it. So the code is just this. You take the min of both of them for to cancel out this minimum cover and start at this. Then you take out both of them. Then you plus the remaining with the formula that I talked about. That's Q2. Let's go over Q4 first. Q4 is 4 is you have left and right. You have to count the number of, you have to output the count of number that has at least 2 digits. So D is greater than or equal to 2. And the sum of, so suppose like 1, 3, 2, 4. Suppose this is the number. So the count of digit is greater than or equal to 2, which is 6. And it's saying that the sum of even and sum of odd is equal. So this part, so it's 1 plus 2 plus 5. It has to be equal to 3 plus 4 plus 6, right? So it's this equal to this. Yeah, and that's it. So this is a standard digit DP. If you're not familiar, you can solve them or some of them. Um, yeah, but if you don't know, it's very hard to do. So we are going to have the state of digits, I, type 1, type 2, um, count of digits, and absolute sum of even and what is it, odd position. Yeah, and that's it. You just do it. Yeah, you do it. Just do it. Looks yeah. Now back to Q3. Last one. Okay, so find the smallest n consisting of full of 1. You cannot really do, I think this question is on code forces. I've seen it before. Very likely. Very likely. It's on code forces. Seems like it's not. You don't know this site. This is just a collection of problems. So you might find some on these. Um, okay, I don't know what that is. Okay, something like this, right? Yeah, not this guy. Where's like code forces? Alright, whatever. You can just do a loop of like keeping the remainder as you increase. So like to say that it okay, to say that it is divisible by um okay, so you need this check first of all. I think you can ignore it. Let's see. Um mm, it's weird. I'm gonna okay for the one. That's what I was thinking about. Hmm, interesting. You can't really. Okay, yeah, but this question is just you keep a list of multiple if k mod 2 is equal to 0 or k mod 5 is equal to 0, just return -1. Because that's the property of the number made up of all ones, kinda. Then you just do this loop to figure out when the one appeared again. Yeah, that's it. Uh, Overall, it's pretty easy contest, I guess. Is it? I don't know. Okay, thanks for watching. Happy New Year's.